Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a really cool haircut for a female character. Kind of retro, but just all around stylish. We're going to start with sort of this egg-shaped head. We're going to modify it as we go, and she's going to be looking this way. She's facing this way. It gives it some energy. You've got my book, Cartooning, the Ultimate Character Design Book. You'll know that when you have a character facing one direction but looking the other, it really adds to the energy of the pose. I'll go over this in black, but first let's just get the basics down. So middle of the head, maybe a little lower as the eye line. Here is the center line, so it's facing a 3/4 view. Let's have long horizontal eyes like this. And she's going to be looking at the side of her eyes, as we indicated. Tuck those pupils in, and we're going to have arching eyes that come down, like that. Bring off some sharp and long eyelashes up the side. And now if this is the bridge of the nose, then the nose ends up out here. So we're going to indicate that, but we're not going to indicate the whole nose. We don't need to, so it's kind of nice. A stylish thing. Here's the cheekbone, so we're going to have to bring this around and bring this down here. Otherwise there's just not enough mass where we're trying to put it. And here is the second. Too far over. Let's put the lip in here and bring it over this way. And I'm going to bring the chin down further because it's too close to the lips, so we'll make another adjustment. That's better. I'm going to actually bring this over a little more. I like it, I like the look of it, but you know, I think it's too far to the right. So even though I like how I drew the eye, it's going to have to go. So that's part of the lesson in drawing, is that even if you think you do something nice, oh, I want to keep it, it looks so good, but you know, it's not right. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Don't suffer with it. It will never look right to you if it doesn't look right to you in the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going to take the hair and bring it out here, right to where the ear would be, and then bring it in. And now I'm going to bring this in, a little bit of a part over here, and bring it way out in front of the head, bring that around. So it's a real stylish look. I think it looks pretty good so far. There's always time to make an error, but you never know. If you do, you do. I think that's a mistake that some beginners make. They think everything has got to be precious. They've got to keep it. They don't. Not everything works. See? So she has a slight grin. Slight grin, which I kind of like. I think it looks good. Long neck going into the back. Long neck into the shoulder area. Okay, so let's have some of the hair come here and around. Just bring the hair over here. Some come off. And just some loose strokes here. Like so. You can also just use a little shading for the back of the hair so it looks like it's layering it, and a little bit here on top where the eyelids would be. And upper lip too. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I have new videos every Monday. I hope you'll subscribe and join me. You can get my books on how to draw everywhere: Michaels, Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. Every bookseller. Thank you very much for joining me. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Bye-bye.